Please, quickly, unofficially, tell us what is Maru Mamta Chor Chinta.
Say cheers and Chor Chinta.
बस खत्म. लगाने का ऐसा वो टोड़ी लगा रहता है, उसका घड़ा उतारने का, मारने का, चिंता छोड़ने का. एंड उस्ताद राम पोथलेनी. सब पहली बार हो रहा है. हीरो और एंटी हीरो आमने सामने आने वाले हैं और एक गाने को जिसको हम देखने वाले हैं. बाबा, right before the song, what do you have to say?
I just want to say that it's a beautiful journey for me to be working with Ram and with Puri sir and Sharvi and Vishu and everybody. बहुत मजा आया, लेकिन मैं इसकी तरह डांस नहीं कर सकता. I wish मैं कर सकता था. But really, I really enjoyed every minute. And thank you everybody. Thank you for having me.
Give it up for Baba, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, Baba. Quickly.
Before the song.
Yeah.
So this is the first song that we shot, and I think one of the first schedules that I shot with Baba. And Baba, you don't need to dance. When you just walk, there's a lot of kick that comes out of it. So I had a lot of fun working with him, but I'll continue that on stage. But this is a super fun song. It's called Big Bull, obviously. So yeah, I had a lot of fun, and yeah, enjoy the song.
Lovely. With your kind permission, shall we? Ladies and gentlemen, all eyes on the big screen as we play the song Big Bull for the first time for all you people right here. States, Zordar Talia for this versatile actor, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskar, sir. Welcome. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you.
मुझे बताएं sir, with this kind of response और यहाँ जो इतनी तालियां सीटियां बज रही हैं, when you saw that thing, the trailer और अपनी entry, what do you have to say, sir?
पहला मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ, संजू बाबा एक 22 years बैक हैदराबाद आए थे, मुन्ना भाई MBBS वो टाइम पे, और तेलुगु सेम फिल्म डबिंग हुआ था. आप हमारे लोकेशन पे आए थे. जब देखा, फिर इतने सालों के बाद अब देख रहा हूँ मैं आपको ये हमारे फिल्म में, और आपको देखते ही मेरी माँ की याद आ गई. क्यों बोले तो मेरी माँ 100 times फिल्म देखा मदर इंडिया. कभी भी टीवी में अगर आ गया तो वो चैनल चेंज नहीं करती. अगर कोई भी चैनल चेंज किया तो उसको बहुत बड़ा गाली मिलेगा, बहुत बड़ा. अरे भाड़ खाओ क्यों रे उसको कि चेंज करा रहे हैं. तो I'm blessed to Andhra Pradesh. I started my career 1978. I acted 1250 movies. Telugu, Tamil, Hindi, Malayalam, Kannada, and recently Nepali. मेरा भाई पूरी जगन्नाथ, हम लोग साथ में ऑलमोस्ट 30 साल से जर्नी कर रहे हैं. हम लोग हर फिल्म में एक डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ कैरेक्टर मेरे को चांस मिलता. तो ये फिल्म में इसको अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से लेके आया. जो अमेजन फॉरेस्ट से क्यों लेके आया अभी नहीं बोलता हूँ, 15 तारीख को बोलता हूँ. ए लबाड़े कौनते तारो, और इसका एक साउंड है वो अमेजन से आया.
जोरदार तालियां आरिजा के लिए, ladies and gentlemen. Out and out entertainer हमारे साथ. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Please रहिए हमारे साथ मंच पर. Of course, now I'd like to invite on stage Puri Connect से the season wish, sir. और खेल कर रहे हो आपके लुक से. You know, I saw a couple of people clicking selfies with him और छुप के इनकी तस्वीरें ले रहे थे. Sir, talking about wholesome entertainment, as I said, Puri Connects. With this movie, क्या लग रहा है सर, कहाँ तक जाने वाला है और क्या होने वाला है आगे?
Hello Mumbai and hello India. Thank you all of you for coming here to bless us and support us. I'll only say one line. I've seen the film like few days ago. I had this good feeling like जो मार मुंता चोर चिंता है ना, like having that मार मुंता and having good biryani, उसके बाद double का मीठा. That's the feeling I had after watching this film. So I thank each and every person from my team, production say direction department, each and every member from cast and crew. Thank you so much. And Baba has supported us a lot. Ram Bhaiya supported us a lot. Everything like August 15th is just 7 more days. I will talk on August 15th.
Yes.
Thank you everyone.
Of course, as I said, lyrical videos देख के इतना अच्छा रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है, जब फिल्म में देखेंगे तो क्या ही होने वाला है, सीटें फटने वाली हैं, सीटियां बजने वाली हैं. Well, now I'd like to invite on stage the very charming. सुबह से she's been after each and every detail, she's looking into each and every detail, and this is how she is. जोरदार तालियां. Chami, congratulations on this.
Thank
You know,
you.
as we said, हम बात कर रहे थे गाने के रिस्पॉन्स की, क्या होने वाला है. सीटियां तालियां बज गई. What do you have to say? First things first.
थैंक यू. हेलो मुंबई, हेलो एवरीवन. बहुत ही खुशी हो रही है कि आज जो हमने इतने प्यार से एक पिक्चर प्रोड्यूस की है जिसका नाम है डबल स्मार्ट. 2019 में वी वर ब्लेस्ड विद अ ह्यूज ब्लॉकबस्टर इन तेलुगु, और आपकी कृपा है कि आज हम 5 लैंग्वेजेस में इसका सीक्वल डबल स्मार्ट आपके आगे लेकर आ रहे हैं. अगस्त 15 को हमारे साथ में और 3 पिक्चरें आ रही है. सारी पिक्चरें बहुत अच्छी लग रही है, तो थोड़ा थिएटर के लिए लफड़ा हो रहा है और नॉर्थ इंडिया में, लेकिन दैट आई विल लीव इट टू द एक्सपर्ट्स, अनिल धड़ानी जी एंड दुगल जी. दे विल हेल्प अस do justice, and I hope we have a good run in North India also. Thank you so much.
Amazing. Just one quick question. You know, Puri sir, of course, he's a creative genius, but producer bhi to hai. So how many times do you have to like remind him of his producer wala duties ki please thoda thambo?
Honestly, Mr. Puri Jagannath, he deals with the alphabets and I deal with numbers. So we do not enter each other's zone at all. Even though he is well aware of everything, he is fantastic. He is a producer's director, but we have our own departments, and he's just amazing in what he does. I'm so thankful that
You are the best co-star I've worked with.
Wow.
And I have found a great friend in you. And thank you for everything. No, वही हो रहा है.
क्या लफड़ा भाई.
हे राम ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. बट नहीं, जेन्युइनली को-स्टार के साथ आपकी बॉन्डिंग ऑन सेट जो होती है, बट वो इतना केयरिंग को-स्टार है कि ऑन द फर्स्ट डे ऑफ मार मंथा मेरी तबीयत खराब हो गई थी, एंड एवरीबडी इज लाइक अब आप क्या खाओगे, बिकॉज इट वाज अ स्टमक इन्फेक्शन. सो मैंने
Oh, that's an announcement.
Yeah.
That's like
Yeah.
breaking news right now.
We thought of him, he signed 7 movies. He said no dates and all, so we were worried and finally got his dates. And I'm a big fan of Sanju Baba and 4 decades experience, a versatile actor. He played all kind of roles.
Yes.
Thank you for doing this film, sir. Love you, sir.
Thank you so much.
We are happy we are launching him. It is his debutant film in Telugu. So we have the privilege of launching him in Telugu.
And if I may, Charmi ma'am, if I may, I've heard this is like the most expensive Telugu debut for someone, is it?
Woo!
She's not commenting on that. For Ustad Ram Potaneri, ladies and gentlemen, Zordar Talia. We can do better. We can make some more noise.
Lovely. They'll probably share if I come on YouTube.
Yeah, we love you over there. Of course, first pan-Indian film. Officially,
Yeah,
can we
yeah,
say that?
yeah,
हाँ?
yeah.
और यहाँ पे ये धमाका होने जा रहा है. Talk to us about it. Everything.
Hi, good afternoon, Mumbai. Thank you all for being here first. And yeah, like I said, it all started off from YouTube, where we didn't realize that a lot of North Indian people were watching a lot of South films. And we had such loyal people who've been constantly asking us to release the film, because they used to wait for a year or so. And now finally, this entire pan-India thing came about, and we were able to release it on the same day as well. And especially a film like Ishmat Shankar. So most of the film has been shot in Mumbai. Double Ishmat has been shot in Mumbai. So I was lucky to have witnessed the Ishmat Shankar madness here as well. You know, the smallest of things, like when I used to go to shoot, I used to come across people on the road and all of that, and everyone used to keep screaming Shankar and all of that. So very glad that we're able to release this film simultaneously up north as well. And yeah, like I say, this character is all about mental mass madness. So one small disclaimer, I do not endorse him. So he's, in case you want to follow him, if you get inspired and follow him, I'm pretty sure that within half an hour you'll be in jail. So please don't. He's just to be enjoyed and entertained. Watch him on screen and leave him there. So he's really mental, and I love the way Puri sir has written this character for me. And it's always an experience for an actor, you know, something that you can't even think of doing in reality. You're playing it on screen, and yeah, I enjoyed playing it a lot. And down south, the people also have enjoyed the first part so much, and they've made it a huge hit. And now we're coming with Double is Smart, with double the energy and double the everything.
Yes!
And yeah, we're pretty excited. And the highlight is, I think, Baba. You know, Puri sir, when he first narrated the script, we couldn't think of anyone else but you. But again, you were like, Charmi told me that you signed 7 films. But again, her being her, she flew to Dubai, and I don't know how she managed to get your dates, but I just watched the film recently and I can't imagine anyone else but you. And I wouldn't call this a debut, but because you want your superstar everywhere.
Superstar in Telugu.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you so much, Rambhai.
Baba!
बाबा के लिए तालियां हो जाए यार एक बार जोरदार। अल्लाह बनता है बाबा। एवरी टाइम वी सी यू वो एक अलग ही बात हो जाती है। यहाँ पे इस अवतार में आप आए हैं। टॉक टू अस अबाउट दिस टीम एंड ऑफ कोर्स अबाउट बिग बुल।
नमस्ते। कैसे सब लोग? मस्त है ना? तो ऐसी कोई बात नहीं जो पूरी सर और शार्मी और सब बोल रहे हैं कि मेरे पास 7 पिक्चर है और डेट नहीं मिली। पूरी सर हम लोग सब फैन हैं इनके। एंड लाइक हाउ राम सेड दैट यू नो he kind of changed cinema and Telugu. He created that swag, that coolness and everything. And I want to thank Puri sir for letting me be part of Double Ice Smart Shankar and making me Big Bull. Thank you sir. Charmi.
सर जी।
मैंने बहुत परेशान किया है।
सर जी, sorry.
ऐसे दिन पंजाबी के परेशान बहुत किए हैं यार। लेकिन I think that's the reason that this product could come about is your persistence, your focus. Thank you for letting me be around.
सर जी, thank you जी।
और ये पंजाबी कुड़ी है कि she's done a great job and she's looking so good. पर इसको एक चीज है, इसको कुछ मार हमेशा पूछो तो मार ही लगता रहता है इसको।
सर मार बनता छोड़ चिंता।
अब मैं पूछा अभी कुछ हुआ क्या? बोले हाँ कुछ यहाँ पे लग गया। ख्याल रखो अपना यार, काम करो। विशु थैंक्स, थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग देयर। एंड इसको एक पिक्चर दे रहा हूँ। So inspiration for you to lose some weight, you know.
प्रोडक्शन के इश्यूज की वजह से बेचारा मोटा हो गया।
राम, you know, इतना मजा आया इसके साथ काम करके। अभी तो चूजा लग रहा है, लेकिन उस टाइम वो डबल स्क्वाड में मस्त लग रहा था। लेकिन अभी एकदम अच्छा लग रहा है, यंग लग रहा है, छोकरा लग रहा है छोटा सा। And it was a pleasure, it was an honor working with him, like a younger brother to me. And he's a good performer, he's a very hard worker. And we had a lot of fun while doing this film in Bangkok और यहाँ वहाँ हर जगह। हम लोग ने मस्ती भी थोड़ी बहुत। I hope आप सब लोगों को ये पिक्चर अच्छी लगेगी and आपको मतलब you'll enjoy the film. I want to thank everybody again and Bhavi is there and Bhavi, thank you so much. Thank you Bhavi. अपन के पास और कुछ भी नहीं बोलने के लिए। Thank you.
Thank you, Baba. Zordar talia, Baba ke liye. Of course, before we get into the media Q&A, I'd like to invite on stage two very important people. बात की संगीता अहिर जी हमारे साथ हैं यहाँ पे. Of course, she supported the movie. She's been a very important part of this film, ladies and gentlemen. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. Welcome, ma'am. Also, would like to invite on stage AA Films, of course, the superstar Anil Thadani Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. He's distributing the movie. Please, sir, आइए. Also, RKD Studios से Dugal Saab is here, ladies and gentlemen. Digital partners हिंदी में हमारे. Welcome, sir. It's time for a quick photo op. Yeah, you do with this team. Junior Dugal sir, please, we want you on stage.
Look your right.
Thank you guys.
Thank you so much. Can we quickly have the chairs up on stage, please?
It's being shared with a lot more people. You know, you can share your content with a lot more people. And yeah, Bahubali definitely opened gates up north and everywhere. And yeah, and this film is even more special because everyone has already loved the first part. So I'm sure a lot of people are looking forward to it, and yeah, pretty excited.
Okay, any one actor from the Hindi film industry apart from Sanju Baba जिनके साथ आपको काम करने का मन है?
काम करने का a lot of people,
Right.
but I really like Ranbir Kapoor also.
Right.
He also played Sanju.
Right.
There's a connection there again.
Cool. Thank you so much for sharing that. Sanju Baba, this one's for you. Rahul from the Filmy Charcha wants to know. एक टाइम था जब आप रोमांटिक फिल्में करते थे. अभी आपके सारे फ्रेंड्स वो रोमांटिक भी कर रहे हैं, एक्शन भी कर रहे हैं. क्या फैंस आपको वापस रोमांस करते हुए देख पाएंगे आने वाले समय में, या यही जो एक अलग बोल्ड अवतार आ गया है?
अभी रोमांस आप क्या बोलते हो? लेकिन
आप कुछ भी करो, हम आएंगे, सीटी बजाएंगे, ताली बजाएंगे.
हाँ, रोमांस भी कर लेंगे अगर कोई अच्छी पिक्चर है, लेकिन हमें अपना जो जनरेशन है यार, वो मास के लिए काम करता था, तो हम लोग मासी हीरो है. अपन साजन कर लिया था एक टाइम, लेकिन बहुत अच्छी पिक्चर थी, गाने अच्छे थे यार. एक और कर लेंगे साजन.
ये भी एक बार अनाउंसमेंट हो गया है यहाँ पे. मिथुन फ्रॉम टेली चक्कर वांट्स टू नो व्हाट अट्रैक्ट्स यू सो मच टू द साउथ इंडियन फिल्म्स. दिस इज योर.
बहुत कुछ करने को मिलता है, मारने को मिलता है, मार खाने को मिलता है. वो रेप कट गया, लेकिन वो लेकिन इट्स गुड, यू नो. आई मीन एटलीस्ट देयर इज अ लिटिल समथिंग टू डू फॉर एन एक्टर, यू नो, आफ्टर डूइंग सो मेनी फिल्म्स.
Right. Thank you so much. Kavya, this one's for you. Rohit from Filmy Charcha wants to know, do you have any aspirations to work in a Bollywood film?
Yeah, I don't confine myself to one specific industry. I think I'm very open-minded as an actor. And if I like the script and I can justify the role, then I'd definitely do.
Any favorite Hindi film actors? ऐसा पूछना चाहते हैं वो?
Many, but I guess for me also Ranbir Kapoor after Animal has been like a
Right.
top favorite.
Right. Charmi ma'am, this one's for you. Naveen from 24. मुझे लगा age लिखी हुई है Naveen 24. What according to you makes a pan-Indian film a hit, and what more films are lined up ahead for Puri Connects?
Hello everyone again. So it's not about pan-India or South or Bollywood or English or Russian. I think Puri sir always says that local is global and content is king. And people are appreciating. It's so good to see people are appreciating good cinema, fun cinema, entertainment, masala. At the same time, there's amazing content, different genres. So I think it's we should not have those kind of boundaries.
Right.
And just enjoy cinema. And हमारी पिक्चर तो एकदम गली सिनेमा है, गली पिक्चर है, and city man picture है. So I hope people enjoy this also on August 15th.
I'm sure.
45 years हो गया.
बनी रहा हूँ तब से. For you, Charmi ma'am.
What is that?
डबल स्मार्ट बनने का ट्राई किया कभी?
ये जो जब भी उनका चिप को प्रॉब्लम आता है होता है, मेरा दिन भर होता रहता है तो कोई जरूरत नहीं है, मैं इधर होती हूँ उधर भी होती हूँ
और बड़े खूबसूरती से करती हो ये काम. पूरी सर फॉर यू डबल स्मार्ट. व्हाट इज डबल स्मार्ट और आपने कभी ट्राई किया ऐसा बनने का?
I never tried it, right?
But as Ram bhai said,
Yeah.
you brought that attitude in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah.
आप तो खुद में हो सर. संजू बाबू for you डबल स्मार्ट बनने का आखिरी बार कभी ट्राई किया था?
मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, लेकिन
You're asking him.
मैं बोल रहा था मेरी लाइफ डबल ही नहीं, 100 स्मार्ट शंकर है. बट आई लव इट. आई डबल स्मार्ट मस्त है.
Right. Ustad for you.
I just played, no?
No, in real life.
In real life also.
Kavya?
I think for me, I'm going to first try to be smart and then double smart.
बढ़िया. ये best है.
I am too naive first. I can be a little too innocent in that sense. So first पहले smart बनेंगे, फिर double smart.
Chronology को समझिए.
She
और
just got
चलिए.
scammed the other day, so.
Yeah, I did get
That's wrong.
scammed the other day. So
Right. All right.
एकदम डेंजर और एक बार